So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Adhil Reddy. It's been a while. I have been using this GoPro Hero 7 Silver. I've been done some vlogging with this camera, action camera. So now it's review time. Today I'll be reviewing this action camera. So let's get started. So guys, this is GoPro Hero 7 Silver, which I've been using long time ago. I mean like from past 2 to 3 weeks. About this camera, it's amazing. I'll be discussing everything point by point so that it will be easy to you to understand what is pro and what is con. So we'll start from display. So if you talk about the display, you'll be getting LCD display at the back side, which I guess it's 2.2 inches. I guess, yeah, it's 2 inches display. So you'll be getting a good touch screen, so that it's very good response. It will be giving good response to you. Like, it will not be so jittery or else so laggy. So that's the good point. And if you keep 100% brightness in GoPro, you can watch your video, or else you can see what you are recording outside, even though in outdoor conditions. So that it's a good point that the LCD display is very good in out conditions also. So about the display, it's amazing. There is no issues from that. And apart from display, we'll go to next point about the user interface of this GoPro action cam. So first of all, you'll be getting 3 modes. It is photo, video and time lapse, where in video you can record 1080p 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second. Even you can record 2K video, which also be called as 1440p, even in 60 and 30. But in 4K you can record up to 30, which is a good configuration. I'm not saying it's very bad, but it's good. And within you'll be having 2 buttons. As if you missed my unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 7 Silver, kindly check it out. I'll be giving iCard here, or else here, I don't know correctly, so you can check it out. I'll be giving the iCard here in the video. So you'll be having button here. So this is the mode button, where you can access to different modes like photo, time lapse and video. And here you can get shutter button, and so that you can record video. It depends on the mode which you have selected, so that if you press the shutter button, it will be enacting with your mode. And it is also used for powered up, and if you press once, the GoPro will be powered down, and if you press for long time, the GoPro will be shut down. So that's the user interface. Really, to say, user interface very simple, so that if you are beginner, it's the best GoPro to use it. So see, you can scroll up to down, and you will be having a bunch of options here, like a voice command, beeping sound, quick capture and lock, orientation lock. If you go do it, like if you go to downwards to up, so that you can preview your videos, like what you have taken, so that it's very easy to you to know that what you have captured and how the sound came. So you will be having a speaker here, which is a good speaker. It's amazing. Even though you are outside in disturbance condition, you could hear what you have recorded. That's the good thing. It's all about the UI. It's very simple, minimalistic, and very very compact, so that within just see in playback also you'll be getting just bunch of options. And you can just swipe. You can use swipe gestures. It's touch screen, and it will be not too much laggy. So that see, if you want to go to photo mode, you can do like this, time lapse mode. 1 second, let it focus. So it's photo mode. So that's about the UI. So I said about the modes, right? As I said before, we'll be having photo, video and time lapse mode, so that in video you can capture 1080p for 2K and 4K in 30 frames per second. So 60 frames are available in 1080p and 4K. That's a good configuration. And time lapse, you'll be in time lapse for every second it will capture a picture until if you start recording, until when you stop it, it will take every second a picture, and it will stitch it together, and it will give an output video to you all. So that's the good thing actually to say. Photo, actually in this camera we have a 10 megapixel sensor, so that it's very good. The only thing, it will be taking wide. Every time it will be like only wide photo, wide angle video, and wide angle obviously time lapse. There is no linear mode. That's the main con. In other GoPro Hero 7 Black and other variants are having a good amount of linear mode, so that you will be getting linear instead of wide angle. I'll be showing you to the I'll be showing a video 1080p, 2K and 4K to you after a couple of minutes. So and I'll be showing a bunch of photos which I've taken from GoPro itself, and I'll be showing time lapses, so that I've taken nice time lapses by using car mount in car, and I've used first vlog with the use of with the car mount itself. So kindly see, I'll be again giving the link here, so kindly see that vlog and it will be so nice. And that's it about the UI and the modes and the about the GoPro. And other thing to say, it has waterproof up to 10 meters. That's the thing here. Till now I've given good amount of information about the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Now we'll jump into the quality check. We'll be checking out how the 1080p video in 30, 60. Most probably everybody will be seeing 60, so 30 normal. So I'll be giving a 1080p 60, 30 and 2K 30. 60 frames a second and 4K 30. Kindly check it out. And I'll be giving time lapse also, very short so that the video will be not so lengthy. I'll be giving short so that I'll be explaining to you. Let's check the quality check right now. So guys, I came to terrace right now to check the footage of how the photos and time lapse and the videos will be like they have to test it, right? So that's why I came up to take a photo and video on the terrace, and I'll be giving audio check to you also. Like I'll be talking to you in video, so that it will be very easy to understand how the audio quality also in GoPro Hero 7 Silver. So I have mounted to selfie mount, which I have already shown in my unboxing video. So this is the setup right now. So in the background my sister will be helping out taking video on my phone. I'm using Realme X50 Pro for footage to take the video right now. So now let's test the photo right now. So yep, I'm on my GoPro right now. And actually I forgot to say, we have an quick capture feature, so that without if you are going anywhere, within a second you need to capture any video. Just if you press the shutter button, even though if your GoPro is off, it will be very accurate. Within a second it will be starting recording up to 30 seconds. You can change it according to yourself. You can keep it to 15 seconds and 30 seconds, so that it's your wish. It's very good feature for us. So now I'll be taking photo. So as I said, I'll be having a mode button here, so that I can easily access. So right now I'll take a photo from here. Little bit, come my dear cameraman. My sister is cameraman right now. So this is wide right now. I'm taking on wide. Actually we don't have any other capabilities, like we don't have any other modes. We have only wide mode, which we don't have linear modes in this GoPro, as I said before. So only wide. We'll check it out. We have 10 megapixel sensor in this GoPro. So actually you can take burst photos, and you can we have a burst mode photo here. We have timer setting here. We have zoom. So right now I have taken 3 photos. Now I'll be taking a zoom photo. Actually we have a zoom here, I guess up to 4x, I don't know, up to 2x I guess. I have a little bit kindly zoom up to here. So no, my dear cameraman, now you can see. So I guess you can see the thing right now. So if you zoom, it can go up to there. So it's a full zoom. Let's take the photo. So I have taken the photo. I have just tapped on my shutter button. Now I will do half way of zooming. It's halfway right now. I guess you can see it. So yeah, I have taken the photo right now, and that's it. In photo you'll be getting zoom in burst mode. Burst mode normally it's like clicking 15 photos, 10 photos, how much ever you want. So that's the burst mode. There is no need of extra explanation for that. So now we'll jump into video. So right now I'm taking a video in 1080p 30 frames per second, 1 second video. So now you will be hearing my audio in GoPro itself. We'll see how the GoPro audio will be. So guys, now I'm taking a video in GoPro 1080p 30 frames per second. So I guess you can see it. So that's nice. It's wide. Now I'll just jump into 60 frames per second. Actually 1 second, come here Sunu. you can see here you'll be having a slow motion button. So for that, you can, if you tap on that, it will be changing to 60 frames per second, and if you off it, it will be 30 frames per second. They'll be saying slow mo. You can, I mean, like you can get it down, but it's not that much accurate in slow motion, but it's helpful for the 60 frames per second video. Now I'm taking this video in GoPro 1080p 60 frames per second, so that you can I understand the movement of hand, and see, even though I'm jiggling up, it's little bit steady video, so that even if you jogging or else running, it will be very helpful to record anything else. So this is 1080p 60. Now I'll be directly jumping into 2K 30 frames per second, I mean 1440p. So we'll jump into it. So go to preference. One second, come here, my dear cameraman. I'll just show everything in camera itself. So focus. Yeah. So I've gone. See, yeah, here if you come down, you have preference, right? So that you can go to default, and you can change your resolution here. So that I'll be keeping 1440p. And I'll just record the video. Actually here we have a GPS built in, so it's very helpful. So now I have changed it to 4K, sorry, 2K, right? 2K video. Actually 2K video will be so wide, like from top to bottom it will be so wide. So I'm recording it in 2K 60 right now. So I guess you can see it's too wide. I'll be not cropping it, and it's not edited. I mean, like I'm not editing any footage here. It's from camera itself. I'll be showing it to you all. So in Sunny also you can see the dynamic range. Actually in GoPro we have a wide dynamic range. So if you point it out on sun, I guess it's not good idea actually. So this is 2K 60 frames per second. Now I'll change it to 2K 30 frames per second. Simply you can change a button here. One second, focus mera bhai. Yeah, you can change the button here. Just tap on that. If you cancel it, it will be in 30. So yeah, now I'll be taking 30 frames per second video. So this is 30 frames per second video. I'm taking on GoPro 2K 30 frames per second. So this is I guess it's enough video, so that you can understand how the things are in GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Now I'll be taking a 4K video. So for 4K we have so in 4K you will be having an option here, 4K. 4K you can't take slow motion. See, if you tap on slow motion or for 60, we can't get it. So go to 4K, and 4K it's 30, and that's the only con, like not con in the box itself. We are getting 4K 30 frames per second. That's a good thing. So I'll be showing a 4K 30 right now. So 4K 30, it's normal like 1080p, but the resolution will be increased by 4 times, not 2 times, but 4 times. So that's the thing. So this is a 4K video, and that's fine. Now I'll be showing a bunch of my time-lapse video which I've taken in my car. Let's jump into it. So I guess you have seen the quality of the video and the photo and the time lapses. Actually, to say you can set like you can set exposure manually. Just you can tap on the screen, and you can get the tick mark here, so that if you choose that, so the thing will be, what we'll say, that at that point itself, even though if you have dark, it will be it will make more light. If we get more light in that point, it makes the video to a little bit to get low, so that it will be good to you people wherever you want to set exposure manually. That's a good thing. So as I mentioned before, we have a good speaker here at the below, and the playback of video, photo are amazing. You can see directly to your GoPro itself, and we have an GoPro app which is called Quick GoPro app, which is mainly for GoPro itself. So you can connect to your phone with using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so that you can share your video and photos or time lapses to your phone directly, and you can see the live preview. That's the good thing. And the connection between GoPro and phone is amazing. There is no lag in between. It's very nice to have an live preview by using your phone. Like every day you will be carrying your phone, right? So it will be easy to you to connect with your phone itself, and you can, if you keep your GoPro in chin, you can easily see what is going on and which angle you have kept your GoPro, so that you can see in your phone itself. That's a good thing. Playback and speakers are amazing. So now we'll jump into the charging point of view. So it will charge within 2 hours from 0 to 100 if you have 5 volts and 1 amp of charger. So it will be very easy for you people to charge it, the GoPro, within 2 hours, so that it's good amount of time. So that if you approximately you may get up to 5 hours, 5 to 4 hours you can use a GoPro constantly. Like it's approximately, I don't know, I didn't test out fully itself, but I have used it for 2 hours, so that for time being I was having exams, right? That's why I couldn't test the things right now. So it worked, I guess, up to 4 to 5 hours, I guess. So it's a good amount of pretty time, so that you can keep your GoPro and you can vlog. And other thing to say, if you the main thing in GoPros, you can plug to a charger and you can keep it aside, so that you can use your GoPro long lasting up to your power bank dies. So that's a good thing. It's an external power device, so that it will be helping you people to get more footage. So now we'll come into pros and cons about the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. What I have felt pros and what's the cons. So first of all, pro, it's nice and simple, compact, and with the help of this case you can mount it to any other mounts with this what we'll say GoPro mount. I don't know what's the name of that. So you can mount any mount for that, and it's not too bulky comparing to 9 and 8. So that's the good thing about this. And to say the other thing, the speaker and the waterproof thing, it's very good. Like 10 meters, up to 10 meters you'll be having waterproof for this camera. And the pro display is very good. It's no lag, and it's very minimalistic. You can just plug it and play. You just keep it and you just record, and everything the GoPro will be doing the work by itself. So now we'll get into con. First of all, we don't have any removable battery, so that we can't keep any external battery to what we'll say, that we can't keep any external battery. That's the main con. And we don't have external mic setup, input adapter accessibility for the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. That's the main con. As you can see here, it's in silver. So Hero 7 Silver, we don't have what we'll say, that mic input. And actually for GoPro Hero 7 Black, you will be having a turning, the lens can be removable, and you can keep an ND filter. So here we can't do the thing in this GoPro Hero 7 Silver. See, it's very compact, it's very good for beginners. And the other thing, we don't have Pro Tune in this GoPro. That's the main con, another con. So that's it, guys. I guess I hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video. I guess you will be safe in your home, and I guess you are vaccinated. And bye bye, guys. Take care. Signing off, Adhil Reddy.